October 8th, 2020 review. Number 1, what is the greatest common factor of 12 and 16? So we are going to make our factor trees. So we're going to have 12, whoop, 12, and then we're going to have our factor tree of 16. All right, so how can we break down 12? What times what equals 12? There's many ways you can do this. You can either do 6 times 2, 3 times 4. I'm going to do 6 times 2, or 2 times 6. So I'm going to do 2 times 6. Is 2 a prime number? Yes, it is a prime number because the only two factors are 1 and itself. So you cannot break down 2 anymore. But what about 6? Can we still go on this branch? Yeah, it's open for us. Because 6, we can do something other than 6 times 1. So if we do 6, what times what equals 6? 3 times 2. 3 times 2. Remember, not 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. But we're multiplying. So it's 3 times 2. Bada bing, bada boom. Can we go any further with this factor tree? No, we can't. So our prime factorization of 12, remember, let's write them in order from least to greatest. 2 times 2 times 3. So remember, we're going to have all of those. So our 2, and our 3, and we are multiplying them because when you do indeed solve 2 times 2 times 3, that will give you 12, you guys. Or 3 times 2, which is 6, and then 6 times 2 is going to be 12. Or 2 times 2 is 4, and then that 4 times 3 is 12. Whoa, pretty cool. All right, how about 16? There's a couple ways we can do this. You can either do 4 times 4 or 8 times 2. I think I'm going to do 8 times 2 or 2 times 8. So I'm going to have 2 times 8. Is 2 a prime number? Yes, it is, because the only two factors are 1 in itself. Then, is 8 a prime number? No. Why not? Well, because we can break it down. So 8 can be what times what? It can be 4 times, if this wants to move. It can be 4 times 2. Woohoo! 4 times 2. Is 4 a prime number? Nope. That means we can continue breaking it down, but let's check, is 2 a prime number? Yeah, 2 is a prime number because the only two factors are 1 in itself. What can I break down 4 into? What times what equals 4? 2 times 2 equals 4. Wow, we are so smart. Is 2 a prime number? Yes, it is, Miss S. Woohoo! Also, this 2 is a prime number because the only two factors are 1 in itself. So, is there anything else to break down? Nope. All right, so our prime factorization of 16, how many 2's? We have 2, we have another 2, we have another 2, and another 2. And remember, we're multiplying those. Woo. All right, so now, what prime factors do they share? So let's see, do they share a 2? Yes, they do. They do indeed share a 2. If this wants to kind of, there we go. So they do share a 2. What about anything else? Do they share anything else? Yeah, they share another 2. Anything else? Do they share another 2? No. What about a 3? No. So the only two things they share, the prime factors they share, we're going to take 1 from each match. So we're going to take 1 of these 2's, and we are going to take 1 of these 2's. Now, multiply these shared prime factors. So what is 2 times 2? That equals 4. So our greatest common factor is 4. It's as simple as that. Bada bing, bada boom. Awesome job.